Hi, this is Keisha with M4W, trying something new. I want to try this blogging thing. So I'm starting out today with my second visit of Bikram Yoga. Went last week, had a great time with some awesome friends, and I'll call them my fit friends. And I was invited, and it was hot. Today, no different. What I did learn today is that I don't drink enough water, and with Bikram Yoga, you have to drink. You have to drink a lot of water, not only just your daily allotment, but also you need to add extra 7 to 8 glasses of water per day because the heat is intense and your body's constantly moving. So, so so with that, I came home and got more water and feel just as rejuvenated and refreshed. So, but I had an awesome time, and once again, and I think I'm gonna go back next week. They have some offers that I may take advantage of, and I feel really good. I feel really detoxed, and from the amount of sweat, I really wish you can see my yoga mat. It is almost as if I stuck it in a bathtub of water and just did not wring it out. But anyway, so just next week, be on the lookout for another video blog of me and just some of my journeys. And I am signing out. This is Keisha once again with M4W, and have a healthy remaining weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye.